Hi guys, it's me, Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a lovely fall makeup look. It's going to be a get ready with me video. I'm going out with my friends tonight. It is starting to become fall. Doesn't necessarily feel like fall, but it is considered fall. So I just moisturized with my organic argan oil that I purchased from Trader Joe's, and I've already done my eyebrows. I have a little bit of mascara on as well, but I'm gonna add some more later. This was just for my daytime look. I just needed to put on some eyebrows and mascara before I got out of the house because I did some shopping today. So I'm going in a little bit of a different order than I normally go in, and I'm starting off with my Morphe Fall into Frost palette. And this is a very lovely fall palette. I've used it before in one of my videos. Don't really know what look I'm going for yet. I just am going with the flow. Going with what I want to choose. Let's see. First, I forgot to do this. I'm going to take some of my concealer and put that on my eyelids to cover up all that vein. Starting off, I'm going to take a nice base color, and I'm reaching in for this bottom color, which I don't know the name of. Alright, so my camera is acting really weird and it keeps shutting off, so I don't know, any minute now it could just turn off and I have to restart again. But I already tried it like a million bazillion times and it keeps shutting off, and I'm getting aggravated at this point. So we'll see how long this lasts, and if it goes out then I'm gonna have to film either on my phone or on my roommate Tara's SD card until I could figure out the problem. Okay. I want to go darker, so I'm going to take an even darker brown. Let's go with this one right here. And I'm going to put that in my outer corners. So now is the exciting part where I get to choose the shimmery base color. I'm feeling a very like orange reddish shimmery color. So I'm looking in the palette, there's a lot of those. I think I'm gonna go with this gold shade. And I'm just gonna use my finger because I've noticed that made it more pigmented. I'm going to add even more shimmer. And I want to add it to the inner corner. Now for the fun part. Just kidding, I hate this part. It is the Too Faced eyeliner. Sketch marker. You're so Too Faced. I am. Anyways, I'm going to carefully now oh my god, I suck at this. Okay. Okay, so next I'm using my Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and this is in the shade Light Beige. I've used it in the last video. And those of you who have not seen me put on this foundation, you might be a little startled and alarmed that it is so pale. But it's okay, because once I contour and once it settles into my skin, it becomes less pale. It just needs time to like settle in. And I always love like getting ready. I love the getting ready portion of going out more than I like going out. I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in light pale. I'm using the Femme Rosa palette by Carucci and ColourPop. I hope I said her name right. Sorry. Going to take my e.l.f. contour brush. And then I am going in for a nice bake. And now I'm going to bake using Stay Matte Rimmel London Long Lasting Pressed Powder. It should be translucent, I think. I don't know. I'm going back in with one of those brown shades that I used, all three actually, and I'm going to go underneath. Okay, now I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know why I had to look at that because I already know what this mascara is called because I use it all the time. I'm putting on a second coat. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty highlight. I'm going to dip in both Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust for that extra pop. So I'm debating between these two colors. They're NYX Lingerie matte lipsticks, and this one is called Ruffle Trim. It's like a mauve-y pink corally shade, and then this one is a bit darker. It's called Seduction. I'm going to try on Seduction first, and if I don't like it, I'm going to take it off and do Ruffle Trim. I'm going to take Ruffle Trim in the center. Ooh, that's pretty. How come I never tried this? You're stupid. Now we take the Makeup Forever Mix and Fix Finishing Spray. Ooh! Now I'm going to go do my hair and I'll come back and show you guys the final look, and maybe I'll do my baby hairs with something on camera so that you guys can see what I do with my hair now that it's short. So that's basically what I do with my baby hair and my hair. And now I'm basically ready to go out. I just need to put on another outfit and I'm good. My friends are trying to match and so I have to match them, I guess. Anyway, so that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for more notifications when I post another video. Bye guys!